case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In Fletcher v. AJ Industries, Inc., a 1968 case heard by the Court of Appeal of the State of California, the court determined the application of the common fund doctrine in awarding attorney's fees in representative actions. The case involved a stockholders' derivative action against AJ Industries, Inc., where plaintiffs Maurice Fletcher and Bradley accused board member Ver Halen and other directors of mismanagement, resulting in damage to the corporation. As part of a subsequent settlement, the board was restructured, and the alleged misconduct was referred to arbitration. However, the issue of whether the corporation should pay attorneys' fees and costs incurred by the plaintiffs or by Ver Halen and Malone remained unresolved. The court ruled in favor of the plaintiffs, applying California's common fund doctrine and overturning the lower court's verdict. This decision meant that corporations sued by stockholders for mismanagement could be required to pay plaintiffs' attorney fees and action costs.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.